Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I want to know what is your preference, coffee or tea? So go ahead and put that in the comments below. What do you like, coffee or tea? Me, I like a little bit of both. I like, I'm kind of picky with my teas, so I stick with the black teas. I like Earl Grey, some jasmine. I like the mint tea. I'm not crazy about the fruity teas, and I like coffees that are flavored, so the cinnamon roll and the peppermint white chocolate and all that kind of stuff. So I like both. I tend to go more towards the teas because, I don't know, they don't give me that caffeine buzz that coffee does, and my heart doesn't like that. So, but the reason why I'm asking you that, if you are a tea drinker, a lot of people like lemon in their tea. This oil right here, this is the Young Living Lemon Vitality Essential Oil. So with Young Living, they package the white, they package the oils in the white package to indicate vitality, and their vitality line, just so that you know, is oils that you can take internally. Now, to follow that up with the disclaimer, they're not meant to diagnose, treat, cure any illnesses. I personally am not a doctor, so I can't do that either. But I wanted to talk to you about this particular oil and things that you can do with it. To give you a little perspective before we even get into that, it takes about 75 lemons to make a 15 milliliter. So this one here is 5, so 3 times this. 75 lemons to make 15 milliliters of the lemon essential oil. Now, this little bottle right here costs $6.25, so there was about 25 lemons in here. I guarantee you, if you go to the store and you buy 25 lemons, it's going to cost you more than $6, okay? So when people talk about the cost of the oils, they're really not that expensive when you look at the big picture and how much goes into it and how super, super concentrated it is. So, going back to tea, for me, I like it in my water, I like it in my tea, and if I'm going to put it in tea, it's got to be a big glass. So this is my Ninja Red I took this morning, bigger than this, like double this size for 1 drop of this. And the other thing I wanted to let you know before we go any further with that is, if you're going to mix these into things that you consume, you want to use glass or stainless steel, because the essential oils will break down plastics, and you know, plastics are chemicals and poisons and that kind of thing, so we don't want to be drinking you know, residues that's breaking down off of your plastic water bottles. But it's pretty good. But 1 drop is plenty for me in like 12 ounces. So what else can we do with lemon vitality or lemon essential oils? The first thing, this is kind of old school, you've all heard it before, but your microwave needs to be cleaned. It's a gunky mess. Oh, you're supposed to put lemons in some water and microwave it for about 3 to 5 minutes and it'll come clean. We don't have any lemons because lemons actually turn out to be pretty expensive compared to this, right? So put a couple drops of this in a bowl of water and microwave it just like you would the old-fashioned way with lemons, right? And then you can wipe your microwave out. And of course the lemons, we know, are going to be also antiseptic, and they're going to help. I don't know if you've ever opened the microwave and it has that funky odor in there. It'll help get rid of that smell. Another thing with this lemon essential oil is really, really super good for is removing stickers. So this is a little very bit. I should have done this on the bottom. I didn't bring anything to do it, but I could put some essential oil in it, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and it will take that off. Unfortunately, I don't have anything to do it with, and it's icky. I don't want to spill it, so I'm sorry. I should have had a little more foresight with that, but it'll take that off. A couple drops of lemon essential oil in your cleaning, whatever you're cleaning with. So even just a mop bucket, if you have a bucket, of course we recommend Thieves, right? Because it's all the same product line, so you can boost your Thieves. But maybe you haven't gotten there yet. Maybe you're just you're working with vinegar and detergents and baking sodas and things that you have in your house, which is fine. Totally advocate for that. As a matter of fact, we'll be talking more about that in some future videos. But, okay, you can add a couple drops of this to your mop bucket or to your spray bottles. You want to make sure you're using glass because essential oils will break down the plastic. It actually will melt them, okay? That's how come it melts the glue on the stickers. But yeah, you can put this in, so it'll help boost that cleaning power because of the antiseptic qualities in the lemons. But if you're using something like vinegar, and vinegar, the odor doesn't last that long, but some people find it offensive. They don't like it, even though they know that the vinegar is a really good cleaner. It'll help soften that vinegar smell. Lemon essential oil Vitality. Now, I can only say this for Young Living, okay? This is the product line that I endorse. So I can't say if you go to Walmart or you go to Hobby Lobby or some of these other places where you can buy essential oils. I'm not saying for those because I can't say that they can be taken internally. I don't know the grade on those. But this one right here is 100% therapeutic, so you can take it internally. And so 2 drops a day, or in your drink, helps support your urinary health. If that acidic in the lemon helps with your urinary health, and we all know get a urinary tract infection, how yucky, ucky, painful that can be. So yeah, this helps support your urinary health. You want to stay healthy. Here's another one. Okay, so not all essential oils is not just for girls. Okay, not just for ladies, not just for women. Although we seem to be the ones who still, I don't know, stereotype, whatever. But we seem to be the ones who are still more focused on cleaning the house, etc. But for man hands, this is what I call man hands. Okay, so greasy hands, like if you're working on a car or trying to fix a piece of machinery or going fishing. You ever smelled somebody's hands after they've gone fishing? Oh my God, that smell doesn't come. Sorry, that smell is so hard to get off. But all you have to do, and I'll show you this because essential oils, these are good for a lot of things. And I still have this stuffy nose, right? So I'm going to do something else too. But so they have a greasy hand, right? Or a stinky hand, smells fishy. 2 drops. One, oops, comes out kind of fast. That was a little more than 2 drops. But then go like this, okay? And because it's going to break up the oils, if they're doing something that's dirty, like working on the car or something like that, and they're getting greasy, it'll help break that up. And if it has the fishy odors and smells that, sometimes don't want to come off when you just wash, oh my. Oh my. And this is smell. Oh, it smells so good. And this smells like real lemon, like if you would squeeze a lemon, okay? Because I have another essential oil that I bought somewhere before I got into Young Living, and this is what I wanted it to smell like a real lemon, okay? But this stuff that I bought, it smells like lemon cookies or lemon bars, and I don't necessarily want it to smell like a treat. I want it to smell like the fruit, and that's what this smells like. But it'll take that fishy odor off, and it'll cut the grease, like motor oil and that kind of stuff. So guys can use it too. And let me just tell you something. Even though I put more on than I wanted to, my hands don't feel greasy. They feel smooth, like I had maybe put a light hand lotion on, but they don't feel greasy. Okay? So these essential oils are really good for your skin, and you can smell them this way. That's one way that you can use them, just to put them on your hands and cup your face and inhale it that way, and you get the essence inside your respiratory system that way. But I'm not greasy, I'm not burning, anything like that. I do want to say one other final thing, and this is really super important with the citrus lines, and that includes bergamot. The citrus-based essential oils, they are photosensitive. So if you put them on and you go out in the sun, you need to be careful because they will make the sun, you could get a burn from them, so you want to be careful. So if I had icky hands, I'd be washing them now, with soap maybe to get some of this off, but you want to be careful about that. So that's 5 things that you can do with lemon essential oil. If you have, well, don't forget, now I asked you coffee or tea, so put that down below. And then any other comments or questions you have, of course, I would be so happy to answer them. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm Miss Jenny.